Welcome to CodeLess Craft. Today, we're diving into the top 5 free AI tools you need in 2025. Many believe you need expensive software or high-end hardware to achieve professional results, but that's just not true anymore. Why do you think free AI tools have become game changers for students, developers, and creators?
Great question. The democratization of AI has shifted the landscape. Increasingly, leading companies offer robust free versions to expand their user base. For students and indie creators, this means they can access sophisticated AI for learning, coding, and content creation. No paywalls or heavy downloads required.
That's a huge shift from even a few years ago. As we break down these tools, we'll see how each one fits into a frictionless workflow, regardless of your device or budget.
Absolutely. With cloud-based access and intuitive interfaces, these tools lower the barrier to entry. Let's start with the most well-known, ChatGPT's free plan.
ChatGPT's free plan, built on GPT 3.5, might seem basic compared to paid tiers, but it's still impressively powerful. How does it benefit users on a daily basis?
Even on the free tier, ChatGPT handles a remarkable range of tasks. It answers study questions, explains code snippets, drafts emails, and even helps brainstorm content. For example, a 2024 EDU Tech survey found that 62% of university students use ChatGPT to clarify class concepts.
What about developers? Can the free version keep up with technical queries or project assistance?
Certainly. While it may not access real-time data or plugins, its training set covers vast programming knowledge. Developers can debug code, receive syntax explanations, or get pseudocode for algorithms. It's like having a 24/7 coding tutor.
Moving on, let's talk about TTS Maker and Narrakeet, AI voiceover platforms. How do these tools empower creators, especially those producing faceless content?
They're transformative for anyone camera shy or short on recording equipment. By converting scripts into natural-sounding speech, they streamline narration for YouTube, podcasts, or audiobooks. A 2025 Creator Economy report revealed that faceless channels grew 47% faster, thanks in part to tools like these.
Some worry about robotic voices, though. Are these free tools actually convincing for modern audiences?
That's a valid concern. Recent advances in neural TTS mean even free tools now offer highly realistic voices, including expressive tones and accents. It's not perfect, but for most use cases, the difference is barely noticeable, especially when paired with good scripts.
Let's pivot to visual design. Canva's free plan is often called the Photoshop for everyone. What makes it so effective even without a subscription?
Canva's strength lies in its drag-and-drop simplicity paired with hundreds of free templates. Even with just the free plan, users can create thumbnails, posters, and slideshows. According to a 2025 Statista poll, Canva ranked as the most used design tool for students and small businesses alike.
And for those with no design background, how does Canva help level the playing field?
Its AI-powered suggestions guide users toward balanced layouts and color schemes. Plus, auto-resize and free stock assets mean you don't have to start from scratch. It's like having a design coach built in.
Now, onto CapCut Web, which brings advanced video editing to any browser, no downloads needed. Why is this such a breakthrough for content creators?
Traditional video editing requires powerful hardware and technical know-how. CapCut Web removes these barriers. It offers auto captions, transitions, and even audio syncing, all in browser. A 2025 YouTube survey showed that 38% of new creators used CapCut for their first videos.
Does it handle more complex edits, or is it just for simple cuts and captions?
It's surprisingly robust for a free tool. Multi-track editing, keyframes, and effects are all available. While professionals might want more, for most creators, especially those focused on social media, CapCut covers 90% of needs.
Let's discuss generative AI for images, specifically Leonardo.ai and Playground AI. How do these tools change the way we make thumbnails or blog graphics?
These platforms enable users to generate unique, high-quality visuals from text prompts. Instead of spending hours searching for stock images or hiring designers, you can create bespoke graphics in seconds. In 2025, over 55% of YouTube thumbnails were AI-generated, saving creators time and money.
What's the learning curve like for those brand new to prompt-based art?
It's lower than expected. Both tools offer prompt suggestions and style presets. Plus, rapid iterations mean users quickly learn what works. It's like having an infinite graphic designer on call with no upfront cost.
So we've covered powerful individual tools, but the real magic, as you mentioned, happens when they're combined. How can students or creators integrate these AI tools for streamlined workflows?
A common workflow might start with ChatGPT for scripting, TTS Maker for narration, Canva or Leonardo.ai for visuals, and CapCut for assembly. This modular approach mirrors professional studios, but without the price tag or technical hurdles. It empowers solo creators to produce end-to-end content rapidly.
Does integration require technical skills, or are these tools designed for plug-and-play use?
Most offer direct export options and compatible file formats. For example, Canva exports PNGs directly to CapCut, and TTS Maker audio slots right into video timelines. It's accessible even for beginners, no coding required.
A recurring theme is accessibility. How do these cloud-powered tools overcome hardware limitations, especially for users with older laptops or even tablets?
Cloud processing shifts the heavy lifting away from the user's device. Whether you're on a Chromebook or a smartphone, the AI handles tasks remotely. This levels the playing field. According to a 2025 Pew Research report, 68% of new creators used only entry-level devices.
Are there any trade-offs in terms of speed or privacy when using these free, cloud-based services?
There can be minor latency, especially with large files, and privacy depends on each platform's policies. However, for most users, the benefits, zero install, low lag, cross-device access, far outweigh the drawbacks.
While these tools are powerful, they're not perfect. What are the main limitations users should keep in mind when relying solely on free AI platforms?
Free versions often lack advanced features like team collaboration, high-res exports, or custom voice cloning. There can also be daily usage caps. A 2025 content creator survey found that 42% eventually upgraded for advanced needs, but most started with free plans to validate their workflows.
Security and data rights are also hot topics. Should users be concerned about their input data being used to train future models?
Definitely something to consider. Always review each platform's data policy. While most reputable tools anonymize data, sensitive information should be avoided on free accounts. Staying informed is key to responsible usage.
Looking ahead, do you think we'll see even more powerful free AI tools in the next few years? Or will companies push harder toward paid tiers?
Both trends will likely continue. As competition heats up, free tiers need to remain attractive. At the same time, paid options will offer more specialization. Think advanced analytics or premium assets. For users, this means a richer ecosystem and more choice.
And for those just starting out, what's your biggest piece of advice regarding these tools?
Don't wait for the perfect setup. Start experimenting with free tools now. They're more powerful than ever, and the skills you develop will transfer as the landscape evolves. The age of accessible AI is just beginning.